Hi guys, welcome to Vidhya's cookbook. Today we are going to make Tarator. This is a very unique dish, so watch this video till the end. The ingredients needed for this are 1 cucumber chopped, half a small bunch of dill herbs, curd 500 ml, sunflower oil 2 tablespoons, 1 clove garlic mashed with a little bit of salt, pepper powder and jeera powder 1/4 teaspoon each, salt to taste, and walnuts. So first to make this, let's take a mixing bowl and add 500 ml of curd. Then garlic mashed with salt, dill herbs, sunflower oil, cucumber, pepper powder and jeera powder, salt to taste. And now let's mix this. $500 ml of cold water, and now let's mix it. The Tarator is ready. And now for serving, let's crush some walnuts. And now let's start serving it. Tarator is ready.